My people, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where they see this video. Now here be run about for Ubiaja, be not be so. Today I want show now the work what would they do for Ubiaja, where the state government they do. You see all these people to the head they pass now because they don't block the market road. Because work they go on there. Serious work, road work, when our government they help us they do. In Minamo, not be for mouth. This is Ubiaja, you see. Now, all these big motor where they come east, now straight that they go now. You see, the sand where they dig for the gutter for here, they take and feed this Bosco road now, go straight. You see, so they don't get alternative route to the pass now. It's very commendable. And we thank the owner of Ubiaja. Now you see the help them, they supervise. If any package wants up, you go there in the next 3 minutes, you don't settle around. You understand what I mean? So everywhere, just say okay. And the residents, like us, people from there will just be happy. You see the only app, there. It's always here, 247. You see, now, see what they happen now for today. They don't do the main drainage, the gutter, the two-side drainage now. They don't face the road. They say this is what they do. Don't be road of 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Now road where we'll say that was lifetime. Road where we'll take for some time. You see, this is what is going on now. Now they don't till the ground, remove the bad soil. So that anything what they do now, it will be solid. Now what did they happen for years? So here now Ubiaja now. Now see, these are the people working. Now, this market road now, no motor, it's no longer motorable yet. But we are happy. Those of you that were there abroad, where they different places, where they plan to visit December. Me, I don't come there, I can't forget where on the house they oh. Now they look for house on the house they go because the eye when I tell you at that time, not be there now again, oh. Ubiaja don't change, oh. Every day now go with the here for better thing. Ubiaja don't become construction site. You see how everywhere now work they go on. This is Ubiaja, now work. You see the two double covered because they know the major challenge with the get erosion. So they have to make it double. See, God, what they call gutter. See, one day this side, one day this side. They don't finish it now. Now, the road they come face now. So that make the road good. So that they want to take the level with the gutter. So that any erosion when they enter road, they just enter the gutter direct. You know, they cause wahala again. And I know where we dey so now. Don't be so. Now with the waka they go. This one now Ubiaja, Esan South East local government area for inside Edo State. Sha, good government, good oh. Now this one will benefit for our vote. Oh, the vote one will vote. This is the benefit. Don't be small work. They go on here. You see, see where they did now. Even to they go, and so it be. What be that? Snake? Well, we not get where snake wants to where they run they go. No space again. Everywhere for there na construction site. See, where na Mobi, one I know that time. So this is Ubiaja. Even the normal road, the normal quota when first day, they don't till and come out. New one will come. Now see the market. Today na even the market. You see the work wey see dey go on for the market here. As they talk am, they go do am. This market so na about 60 stores, story building that they wan build so. And our oga, House of Assembly member, Chief Sonny Ojezeli Pedome, na dey do am as a constituency project. You see am, they don start am. As they talk am, they don do am. This one never reach 2 weeks when they start to see where they dey for the market. You see am. So you see, Ubiaja, everywhere na construction sites. Who no know now to say this video not for Ubiaja. Na Ubiaja o, Esan Southeast. When I check am well o. This one na the market where they dey build now. See road, see market, see school. Wetin we want again? God will bless all these people when they do this good work for Ubiaja. This one na foundation that they lay now.